people making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one and all. It's the time of year when good friends are here, and you wish you could give more than just presents from a store. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Christmas Day. Oh, even the man who was everything would be so happy if you would bring him love on Christmas Day. Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. People you don't know, smile and nod hello. Everywhere there's an air of Christmas joy. It's that once a year when the world's sincere, and you like to find a way to show the things that words can't say. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Christmas Day. The man on the street and the couple upstairs all need to know there's someone who cares. Give love on Christmas Day. Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. For the world needs love. Yes, the world needs your love. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Christmas Day. The man on the street and the couple upstairs all need to know there's someone who cares. Give love on Christmas Day. Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. What the world needs is love. Yes, the world needs your love. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Christmas Day. Oh, even the man, everything would be so happy if you would bring him love on Christmas Day. Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. Hanggang dito na lamang po ang pinakamataas na pagpupuri, paglalahati at pagdadakilay sa ating pinakamamahal na Panginoong Hesus.